Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Rovars Poly-Spandex swimsuit. So let's get started. The MRP is $8.95, but you can grab it on Amazon for $7.44. And this product comes in various size options from 2 years to 14 years, and ours is for 11 years. Here I have a tip that order one size up from your usual size, and it is a half suit with a front zip. The zipper is smooth with great quality, and this swimsuit is made up of poly-spandex fabric. It's breathable, quick drying, and it offers UV protection to prevent tanning. And the material is stretchable, chlorine resistant, so you can use it in the water park, swimming pool, and the fabric feels soft and smooth on skin. And this comes with half sleeves, and this offers excellent stretch with full range of motion. And here is the note that don't wash it in the washing machine. It's only recommended with hand wash and no ironing. So overall, it's a value for money product, definitely worth trying, and it lasts, for me the last one lasted 2 years. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.